Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about how to collaborate while using Office 365. So in most cases, while using Office 365, the typical way that you want to collaborate would be to use Word, or Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on OneDrive, and I'm just going to choose a file that I know that I probably want to work with somebody on. So I'm going to choose this one, which is the Sunshine Fund. This is protocol we were working on for a school committee. And you can tell, if you look over here on the right, that it's actually shared with Brenda Thompson and one more person. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that to open up this document. And in order to collaborate, you actually have to be working in the document. Right now, I'm just viewing it. So in order to do something with it, I need to go up here and click on Edit. And it gives me two options. The first one is to edit in Word. And what this basically does is downloads it to my computer and allows me to work with it basically offline. And you don't really want to do that because when you work offline, it doesn't make your changes in real time. And then you end up having to re-upload the document and save it again, and that's how you end up with different versions. So what you really want to do is edit in Word online, and these make the changes right here on your browser, and this is the option you want to choose if you plan on collaborating. So I'm going to choose that one, and when you get in here, you can see I was playing with it earlier. I'm just going to take that out. While I'm in here, I can actually, anybody that I share the document with can be in here at the exact same time, okay? And what happens is I can go up here to Review, and I can create a comment. I'll just click on a new comment here, and I can comment, "This is looking really good." Okay? And when I do that, I can post it, and then you see this little comment box pull up here. Now anybody who's accessing the document at the same time can see that comment box. If they have the show comments things on their screen, they can see the comments as they pop up here, and we can actually basically send text messages back and forth with each other in replying to each of these comments. Okay, so there's another comment. And if I had another person logged in here, you would be able to see their name would pop up on the screen wherever they're writing, and you would be able to see that it said Brenda Thompson is editing, and you would see exactly what she typed as she did it. So I think that's a pretty neat feature. This is something that anytime you're working on a project together, whether you're doing lesson plans, there's lots of different purposes you could use this for. Working on a project for some sort of like math night or science night thing you're doing, creating handouts or documents for the kids. This is a great resource. So again, if you want to collaborate with someone while you're working in Office 365, in whatever app you pull up, you want to make sure that you're editing in the online version of the app, and then you want to go to Review and Comments. Okay? You don't have to be in Review and Comments if you don't want a message, but that's one of the best ways to communicate, unless you plan on being on the phone or something at the time. So that's how you collaborate while using Office 365.